us. Yes, sir. On the way. Resume merriment. You are safe.
And this is our room. We're at the Beach Club Resort here at Disney World. This is a deluxe studio. It has the queen size bed, a sleeper sofa that pulls out. It also has a view here from this room, from the balcony of the DVC pool. It has a pull down bed that's underneath the television. Has a neat little mural of Donald Duck under there. And this folds up to give a little dinette area. This unit has a microwave, coffee pot, a little refrigerator, of course the bathroom area here. And this is a deluxe studio here at Beach Club Resort.
We'll need you to come with us. Yes, sir. On the way.